Let's imagine that I was sick last week, but I'm okay now. How would you give me advice about last week? Hi, I'm David, and in this video, we're talking about giving advice for the past. Let's look at two common ways of giving advice. For somebody who is sick, we might say, you could see a doctor, or you should see a doctor. But remember, I was sick last week, and right now I'm okay. I don't need to see a doctor right now. So to give advice for last week, let's change these sentences a little bit. We would say, you could have seen a doctor last week, and you should have seen a doctor last week. What we're doing is we're adding the word have, and we're changing the verb into the past participle form. And here's a little tip. In casual situations, you can shorten these expressions into could've and should've. So that's 1 minute English, and now you know how to use could have and should have. If you want to practice real conversations with native English speakers, then check out italki.com. italki.com is a great place for online lessons and tutoring for any language at all. You can use the link in the description to get $10 off your second lesson. You can even book a lesson with me and we can practice English. I hope to talk to you soon.